Hello guys, now we are going to start a full game. I will show how to do a full complete game with my friend. I would explain and do everything. You saw we did handshake because when you are starting a game, you every time needs to put a handshake. And is first move to white to move. The white one is to move first. Adjusting means if you want to take, if the piece is like this waiting, we can tell adjusting and take it to the middle. Okay, see, I tried to catch the center because it is the important things in the pieces. We have to try to catch the center as the way in the previous videos. I told he can move to here also and he moved here. I told we can do like that. Okay now. Okay, I tried to attack this knight for my pawn. In chess games, it's not very good to take the pieces back. Try to defend this a lot of much. It's not good to take the piece back or it would not develop any pieces. Okay, as you can see, I tried to develop my pieces over here. He's still trying to think away how to develop his piece and come to here like. Adjusting. I'm trying to take this bishop because in later if I get hard, I can attack with this bishop to where I want. Okay, in the previous videos I told we can cut like this with the pawn if it is black's turn. So I cut it. And this guy has 1 point, so I have 1 point. It's like if we have 1 point, we have 1 chocolate. Back. Now in the previous videos I told this knight and this bishop has the same amount of points is 3. So we both have now 3 points. I mean if we are taking from this we have 4 points we both. Okay, now castling is so good because we can it's like taking the queen inside and not giving any attacks. The white can't give any attacks because he has a lot of property over here, guards and all. Okay, this queen is trying to attack my knight. But I'm not gonna move it because we can just cut it with an less amount of point. This is called, and actually when I move this, it's actually called and defend. It's called a extra attack. This attack can go through a piece. Touch. Touch means if you just catch him with your hand, and if we tell touch, you have to move him only. Okay, now I can use that trick to cut his pawn with a less bishop. That has 3 points. This has 9 points. So I have 13 points. He has 7 points now. Okay, with the less amount of pawn, I already cut this knight. I had 13 points. So now I have 16 points. Okay, I am trying to imprison my pawn by cutting lot of pieces, but there's a rook, so I can't still imprison even with the bishop. Okay, but actually don't take a big piece, a big amount of piece to the front, or it would go away like this. He can go anywhere he would go, then we can actually lose the game. But I know a tiny bit of chess, so I played that as I wish I can play. That's you can't do that. This pawn was over here, okay? You can't do that because I told this part is block. This part is block, so you can't do that. You have to move another one. So I can see this pawn is trying to attack my knight. So because of that, I would cut this pawn. Okay, he took the check to the other side. Down there are no check. Adjusting. So I'm not gonna cut this rook, as you can see. I'm gonna take this guy over here. Okay. Now the rook just cut my pawn. Now I'm going to cut. Then it's a checkmate. And in the end of the game also you have to put a handshake.